Hello student, welcome. Lesson number 5, expansion formulae, practice set 5.2. Here it is the first question, that is expansion students. First is what? A k plus 4 bracket cube. Already in my previous video also I explained you how to do this sum. Again I am explaining you in this video the cubes formula, and it is very easy formula student. First term cube, last term cube. It is very easy to remember. How to remember? Just listen here. Plus 3 first term square into second term, plus 3 first term into square of second term. Now I am putting the values in this formula students. See here, a is what? K, and b is what? 4. Okay. Now in the place of a you have to use k, in the place of b you have to use 4. 3 a square means k square into 4 plus 3 k. B square means second term is 4 square. Plus second term cube, 4 cube. Already I told you that your cubes must be by hearted. K cube plus 4 3s are 12 k square, plus 4 square is 16 3s are 48k, plus 64 you have to write as it. This is your answer of this question. Now second sum is 7x plus 8y bracket cube. Okay, again you have to use same formula. First term cube, say last term second term cube, plus 3 into first term square into second term, plus 3 into first term into square of second term. First term is what student here? 7x. 7x cube. 7x cube, students are doing confusion here. Students are doing the just cube of x only. They are not doing the cube of 7. Means you have to do the cube of both the terms. Both the 7 and x both. 7 cube is 343 x cube plus 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Here I have wrote here 24 into 4. 7 square is what? 49 x square, plus 7 3s are 21. Here 7 3s are 21, plus 8 square is what? X square you have to write 8 y square. 8y square is what? 64 y square, plus 8 cube is 512 y cube. Again here you can't do addition of any term because here terms are different. Here x square and xy square are the different terms, so you can't add these terms. You have to write as it is. Okay. Now third sum, 7 plus m bracket cube. This is very simple sum. In the place of first term you have to use 7, in the second term you have to use m. 7 cube plus 3 into 7 square, first term square, plus multiply. Always in these terms you have to use multiplication into m, plus 3 7 into m square plus m cube. Now 7 square is what? 49 into 3m, plus 7 3s are 21 m square plus m cube. Now 49 3s are 147, and 21 m square you have to write as it is. Here also you can't add any term because here m is there and m square, these are both the different terms, that's why you can't add these. Fourth sum, 52 bracket cube. You can distribute these terms as a 50 plus 2. Then after distribution you are getting the formula you are getting the term like this. Now 50 cube plus 3 into first term 50 square into b, plus 3 into first term into second term square, plus second term cube. This simple formula. Now 50 cube is what? 125. Student, listen here. This is very easy. How to find out the cube? Just see 50 into 50 into 50. Okay, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, and reach 30. You have to write directly. Don't do the multiplication with all the steps. There is no need of it. It is a time consuming. 50 square is 5 square is 25, and 2 zeros directly you have to put, and 3 2s are 6 plus 4. 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 4 plus 150 into 150. 15 3s are 150. Okay, simply you have to do the multiplication. After doing this calculation, you will get the values, and you have to add these values. Write these values properly because it is very important. And after that addition, after doing addition, you are getting this number. Thank you, students. Thank you, students, for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, thank you.